Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy, and in this video today I will discuss about what is SAP. Many of us don't know that SAP is actually a company and it is technology. So I will briefly discuss into these 2 points. So if I talk about the first one, SAP as company, this company was started in Germany in 1972, but now it has various branches in across many countries. So now it is very famous and renowned company. If I talk about the work of the company, actually this company creates various tools, software tool for helping business. So if I talk in technical term, that is called ERP, enterprise resource planning. So this software has various modules which helps business for running smoother, faster and better. And also SAP is working on cloud technology and mobile technology which will help business for better operations. So SAP is actually a company which makes various software tool for helping business. Okay, if I talk about the next one, SAP as technology, as I told earlier, SAP is a company which makes software. So this software, suppose if I talk about the ERP solution, so it has various modules called SAP MM, SAP HANA, SAP BI, SAP PI. So whoever consultant work in these tools, they are called as SAP consultant. Suppose if someone is working on the module called SAP MM, so that person will be called as SAP MM consultant. So SAP softwares are used by many companies to handle in their operations, and SAP is very costly, in terms of training cost. If someone wants to get a training in SAP, so actually it is really costly than the other technology. So I hope you understood the concept between SAP. SAP is actually a company as well as it is a technology. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you have liked it. Have a nice day.